Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Had a pretty cool and pretty breezy day yesterday. I think we're going to have something similar today with even more clouds, and that'll make those temperatures really have to fight their way to get out of the 50s. With a little bit of luck, a few of us get near 60 this afternoon, but that's about it. Overnight tonight, I don't expect to see a lot of dipping temperatures. We might even see the temperatures rising as we get a little surge of warmer air ahead of what will be probably a very busy day tomorrow and a good batch of showers and storms. So far, what we're looking at here, a bunch of clouds across the area. We've got some energy to the south that we're going to be keeping our eyes on. There's more further south and further west. As all that energy sort of comes together and moves east, it's got a lot of those ingredients lined up and things stacked up through the atmosphere to get the support that it needs to not only develop showers but thunderstorms, and some of those thunderstorms are going to have the potential to be the dangerous kind, and that's likely going to be a big part of our forecast for the first half of tomorrow, probably from like sunrise to about noontime. We'll be able to see how that window slides based on how everything develops during the day today. So please keep checking in with us. We will have updates throughout the day and of course tonight. It's 43 right now in Thomasville. It's 45 in Valdosta. It's 48 degrees in Tallahassee. So we're starting the day mild, seasonable, where you expect it to be in early January. That breeze is noticeable, and I do think that breeze is going to stick around throughout the day today. It's going to be breezy out there. We'll see and feel that for sure. Blakely's the cool spot at 39. I see Apalachicola, the warm spot, at 49. Almost everybody else someplace between like 43 and 48 degrees. Now that breeze turning more towards the east and south is going to bring in not just the breezy conditions but those warmer conditions too. So we'll notice those temperatures trying to perk themselves up. Here's a look at the satellite radar composite just about the clouds across the area, and even if we widen out the view, there's still not any real organized energy yet. So as it forms and as it works its way east, now we'll have a better chance to track where those storms are coming from and where they're going. By late tonight, I think we do see that little surge of warmer air that likely will trigger some lighter showers. So anything that happens before midnight tonight, we would qualify as pretty light stuff, but I do think we could find some. As we get into the overnight period and early morning hours, we might find a few isolated showers, but it really feels like we're talking 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning for this next line of showers. This energy moving through the area, this warm, humid, unstable area to generate that next batch of thunderstorms, some of those that could be strong. And with a little bit of luck, it gets in, out, and done real fast. So maybe by 2, 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, most of us completely finish with it. So it's a short duration event, and hopefully that means not too much flooding from it, but we could see some pretty heavy downpours, and we are going to be talking about the potential for some of those strong and dangerous thunderstorms. I think we have a pretty clear setup for Wednesday before we start looking for yet more energy coming our way by Friday. And we got plenty of time to work on that. First things first, let's take a look at those outlooks from the Storm Prediction Center. When we start to get to those yellows and browns, that slight and that enhanced risk level, now we're getting past the, maybe there could be a couple of dangerous thunderstorms. Now we start getting to, in the slight risk category, there's an equally good chance that we do get them than as we don't get them. And when we get to that enhanced category, now we're talking about the time where we are expecting those big storms. Now, by late tonight or very early tomorrow morning, the threats like that are to the west. But take a look at this outlook for the day Tuesday, and this is that window from like 7 a.m. to noon or something similar to that, where we are expecting the likelihood of some of those dangerous storms. And what those dangerous storms can mean: heavy downpours, frequent lightning, strong wind gusts, the kind that get up over 40 or 50 or even 60 miles per hour to that severe level. But it could also mean tornadoes. So we've got plenty we'll be keeping our eyes on for tomorrow. So please keep checking in with us, especially starting, I think, early tomorrow morning. Now, if you own or operate the small craft, be advised those breezes are going to be perking up out of the east and southeast, maybe as high as 20 or 25 knots. This morning is 30s, 40s, increasing clouds. The sun will be up at 7:35. Maybe we see a few glimmers of blue today, but I'm not expecting much. It'll stay kind of chilly and breezy. Normally this time of the year we're in the mid-60s. I don't think we're going to get there today. We'll start to perk those rain chances up this evening and tonight. That's when the showers start. The better chances for the bigger weather, the dangerous stuff, that's tomorrow. And I think tomorrow likely going to be a real busy start to the day. Hopefully things improve in the afternoon. I like the Wednesday, Thursday forecast. Maybe not so much on Friday, but we got plenty of time before we get there.